you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy, heavy monster sound! The nuts...
So scalar multiplication is when you have a matrix and you are multiplying it by a scalar quantity, or which is just something that is outside of the matrix. So this matrix is being multiplied by 3. Now a way how you can think about this is when we did expanding the brackets, because expanding the brackets is similar to this. Here we have a 3 on the outside, and inside the brackets we have x plus 15. Now, if you remember, this goes using the distributive law, where everything inside the brackets will be multiplied by 3. So you would get 3 times x will give you 3x, plus 3 times 15 will give you 45, I believe. So the 3 affects everybody on the inside. It's multiplying everybody on the inside. And it works the same way. This 3 is going to multiply every element on the inside. It's going to multiply this 3, this 4, this 2, and even this variable, this letter, this x. So 3 times 3 will give us 9, and 3 times 4 will give us 12. 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times x, 3x. And that's all there is to it. This is scalar multiplication. And it doesn't even matter what you're multiplying. If you have a matrix and you have some quantity on the outside, here I have a fraction, here I have a number, it can work. So in this first instance, we're multiplying everything by a half. So 4 multiplied by a half, if you put that in your calculator, if you know how to work it out, you're going to get 2. A half multiplied by 6, 3. A half multiplied by 10, 5. A half multiplied by 8 is 4. Even when the scalar quantity is a variable, it still works. So you have a multiplied by 2, that will give you 2a. A multiplied by 5, that will give you 5a. A multiplied by a, that will give you not a or 2a, it will give you a squared. And a multiplied by 3a squared, that will give you 3a cubed. Alright, so then if you want, you can try this one and see how it goes. I have here 2 matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and you gotta find these things at the bottom. So if you want, you can pause the video and you can try figuring it out, and then after we're gonna go through it to see if you got the same answer. Okay, so you had enough time, and let's see if we can figure it out. So we have here matrix A is 1, 0, 4, negative. This is negative 6, by the way, if you didn't realize. Negative 6. Sorry for my terrible handwriting. And then for matrix B, we have 36, 12, 18, and 3. And for the first one, we have to find negative 4a. Now, doing algebra, negative 4a is really 4 times negative 4 times a. But we know that a is not a in itself, really. A is a whole matrix. So you're multiplying negative 4 by the matrix A, which is 1, 0, 4, negative 6. So we're multiplying every element in matrix A by negative 4. So negative 4 by 1 will give you negative 4. Negative 4 by 0 will give you 0. Negative 4 by 4 will give you negative 16. Negative 4 by negative 6 will give you positive 24. So, alright. For the second one though, we have a third multiplied by b, which is a third multiplied by the matrix B, the matrix B being 36, 12, 18, and 3. So everything in here is being multiplied by a third, or if you know your mathematics, you're simply dividing by 3. So let's go. A third multiplied by 36 will give you 12. A third multiplied by 18 will give you 6. a third multiplied by 12 will give you 4, and a third multiplied by 3 will give you 1.